Okay, so here we have the rear part of the two-door Bronco. If it was my Bronco, I would not take the back off. But I think two people would actually be a lot easier. What you need to do, because these two panels fit perfectly together, and I have them upside down for a reason, what you want to do is put the two panels in. It'd be nice if you could have two people, one person hold one, and then you could pull one panel out, set it to the side, either take a little pencil, a little piece of chalk, and make a mark and a mark. That way when you go to install this side, you know it goes right against that mark. Otherwise you're not going to know. You could put tape down. If you're going over the top of this, probably a piece of tape, a piece of blue painter's tape, or a piece of chalk, one or the other. Okay, so once you get the center marked, you're going to install the first one, and just like the front panels, if you have the 3M tape because you don't have a factory headliner, you're just going to kind of see, okay, this is right where the tape hits, and clean those areas really well with alcohol. Okay, I suggest kind of dry fitting these ones so you can see exactly how they go. These you want to take a piece of blue painter's tape and put right over the top of where the 3M tape is. That way you know exactly where to push on this as you're going, because you don't want to push in the middle, you want to push right over the top of the tape. Okay, so all you're going to do is once you get your line, peel these back, slide this in place. You're going to be sitting in your Bronco upside down like this. Get it in place as good as you can. And there's a little lead way. If they weren't perfect, you would never be able to tell. Push up a little, get it stuck. And then get your little square. And then push up right over the top. And what you want to do is you want to push and hold for like a beat or two. And then move this over a few more inches and push and hold. And what works the best is, if you're doing the 3M tape, install it, push up as best you can, and put your Bronco out in the sun, let your top get hot. What happens is it makes this tape really soft, and then push up again, and then it gets really good adhesion. You'll never have a problem. Okay, so let's just imagine that the whole thing has carpet, and now you got to do the other side with carpet. So you made your mark, you put this in here. The thing with the Velcro, and this is just a kind of template. It doesn't have the radiant barrier on it. Yours will have the radiant barrier on it. So I'm not exactly sure how hard this will be, but you can get it right against that in the end and right against here. I'm holding it up right there and then just pushing down. Okay, so it's way far. Okay, so we're going to do that again. So there's a lip in the back it has to go under. But I'm holding it there and I'm pushing this down so I can see that it's even, and then I'm just dropping this paint. And this stuff, if you just rub it like this, it is stuck crazy good. It's never going to come off. Now I can pull it off, but it's never going to just fall off. If you have a problem like getting it, I can't get it in place without it sticking, take a plastic bag, stick the panel in the plastic bag. Yep. Put it in backwards. And you can slide your panel right in place, see that it's even, and then you start pulling it out until it kind of sticks. And once enough's out where you can get it to stick and it's not going to move, and you just slide it right out. And you got it right in place. And that's how you're going to install this.